Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can find IP address for your computer. IP address is used for many things. If you want to connect any external device, you need an IP address to connect them. Now, let's get started to our video. Open start button and search here CMD. And window will open. In this window you have to write IPCONFIG. When you will enter that, this will show you an IP address for your computer that can be used to connect any external devices with your PC. I hope guys this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and helpful videos. Thank you very much.